Hello, students. Welcome to our special lesson today. Learning English phrases is key to sounding more natural and confident. In this video, we'll explore 20 essential English phrases that every student should know. Let's dive in. Our first phrase is hit the books. This means to study hard. For example, I need to hit the books tonight if I want to pass my exam. Next, pull an all-nighter. This means to stay up all night studying or working. You might say, I had to pull an all-nighter to finish my essay. Phrase number 3, cram for an exam. To cram for an exam is to study intensely in a short period before a test. I'm cramming for my history exam tomorrow. When you pass with flying colors, it means you pass an exam very easily and with a high score. She passed her final exam with flying colors. To cut class means to intentionally miss a class without permission. He got in trouble for cutting class yesterday. A teacher's pet is a student who is liked best by the teacher and often receives special treatment. Everyone knows Sarah is the teacher's pet. To learn by heart means to memorize something completely. We had to learn the poem by heart for our literature class. When you brush up on something, it means to review and improve your knowledge or skill in it. I need to brush up on my French before my trip. To catch up on means to do something you have not been able to do recently. I need to catch up on my sleep this weekend. To fall behind means to make less progress than others or than you should. If you miss too many classes, you'll fall behind in your studies. Our 11th phrase is hand in. To hand in means to submit something, usually homework or an assignment. Don't forget to hand in your essays by Friday. To drop out means to stop attending school or college before completing your course. He decided to drop out of university to start his own business. To keep up with means to stay at the same level or pace as others. It's hard to keep up with all the readings in this course. To pick up a skill or language means to learn it without formal lessons. I picked up some Spanish phrases while traveling. To go over something means to review or examine it carefully. Let's go over the main points of the lecture. To figure out means to understand or solve something. I can't figure out this math problem. To work out means to solve a problem or find a solution. I hope we can work out a solution to this conflict. When you get the hang of it, it means you learn how to do something, especially after some initial difficulty. It took me a while, but I'm finally getting the hang of playing the guitar. To put off means to postpone or delay something. I always put off studying until the last minute. And finally, ace a test. To ace a test means to get a perfect or nearly perfect score on an exam. I studied hard and I'm confident I'll ace the test. That wraps up our 20 essential English phrases for students. We hope these phrases help you communicate more effectively and confidently. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.